variable separable method, heat equation. This also they compulsory they will ask one example from heat equation or wave equation. First we have to see the heat equation. Dou u by dou t is equal to c square dou square u divided by dou x square. Now we have to take the solution. X is equal to u is equal to x t. X indicates as a x of x and t indicates as a t of t. These are the solutions. This you have to replace in our equation. We call it as equation number 1. Dou by dou t of xt is equal to c square dou square divided by dou x square x t. And here x is a constant because partial derivative is there. X take outside. Dou t divided by dou t is equal to c square. With respect to x is there, t is a constant. Dou square t divided by dou square x divided by dou x square. Now divide x c square t both side and equate with a constant k. Dou t divided by, here we are dividing this means x get cancelled, we got c square t is equal to k, and the second one c square t get cancelled, 1 by x dou square x divided by dou x square, we call it as a k separately. After getting this, we have to take this in the form of ordinary differential equation. Dt by dt is equal to k c square t. This d square x divided by dx square is equal to kx. Now this we have to write in the form of d is equal to k c square t, and this we have to write d square x t is equal to kx. Now for this variable separable method we have to apply the 3 cases. That is, first case is k is equal to 0, and second case is k is equal to plus p square, third case is k is equal to minus p square. If we substitute k is equal to 0 in both the equations, d t is equal to, if we substitute k is a 0 here, the RHS become a 0, and here d square x, this term become a 0. Now take the auxiliary equation for this. M is equal to 0, m square is equal to 0. Means the roots become 0, 0 and 0. Write the solution for this. This is for t. T is equal to C1 e raised to 0 t. And this is for x is equal to C1 plus C2 x e raised to 0 x. This we have to substitute in e to the u is equal to xt. Already C1 we considered, that's why we have to continue with our constants. C1 e to the power 0t into C2 plus C3x into e to the power 0x. This is a first case. If you want, you can take a constants in a common term and make it in the form of a and b. E to the power 0t is a 1. C1 C2 plus C1 C3x. This we can write a plus b x also. This is a solution. Now we can take a second case, that is k is equal to plus p square. K is equal to plus p square. In the place of p, in the place of k, you have to substitute dt is equal to p square c square. P p square c square t, and another term become a d square minus p square x is equal to 0. Here take a auxiliary equations. M is equal to p square c square, and here m square minus p square is equal to 0. M square is equal to p square. M is equal to plus or minus p. That we have to write the solution for t is c1 dash. Already we taken here c1, c2, c1, c3. c1 dash e to the power p square c square t. This is for the t. Now here we have to write it for the x. c2 dash e to the power px plus c3 dash e to the power minus px. These two values you have to substitute in our general solution. U is equal to xt. c1 dash e to the power p square c square t and c2 e to the power px plus c3 dash e to the power minus px. This is a second case. If you want, again take a constant, simplify and make it in the terms of a dash and b dash also. Now we have to take the last case, that is a third case. K is equal to minus p square. Similarly, as we did in a plus p square, you have to make it for the minus p square. Instead of taking plus, we have to take dt is equal to minus p square c square t. And here d square plus p square x is equal to 0. And the auxiliary equation become m is equal to minus p square c square. And here m square plus p square is equal to 0. M square is equal to minus p square. M is equal to plus or minus p I, because minus term is there. Now we have to write the solution for the t here. T is equal to c1 double dash. Already we taken a c1 dash, c1 double dash e to the power minus p square c square t. And for the x is equal to c2 double dash cos px plus, because complex form is there, c3 double dash sin px. Substitute in a standard solutions. Xt is equal to c1 double dash e to the power minus p square c square t into c2 double dash cos px plus c3 double dash sin px. Now this we have to write p square c square t a cos px plus b sin px. As we did earlier, a we have to consider as a c1 double dash c2 double dash, b we have to consider as a c1 double dash c3 double dash. This is a final result for the heat equation for solvable for the variable separable method. Similarly, we have to make it for the wave equation.